Doing a great job, John. Awesome. Jim, what do you think it is?
I really don't know. It's probably one of those really big groupers.
Look at him go flying. John, what you think it is? You've been fighting it this long. What do you think? So we're trying to tire him out a little bit quicker because we're getting close to being an hour in the fight. See, he's doing that shake. Oh, not a bluegill. He was thinking maybe a paddlefish or something like that, but I told him we don't have those here. So we're back, hour and 10 minutes. He's kind of going inshore for. We're getting really close, really close. It's got to be a giant. It's got to be a monster, something. We got a sea creature on. We got a mysterious sea creature. John said, Captain, I've had enough of being on the front of the boat. I'm going to land this fish up here on the land. What is that? Big Jack, right? And there it is right there. Oh my goodness. Yeah! We are hooked up with a giant right now. We've had it on for, I don't know, 40 minutes or so. And we're hoping that it's going to take us inshore. We're at the end of an outgoing tide. Water's dirty. We're in 4.7 feet of water. And he almost went crazy on us. I don't know why he did that. Why would he have did that? Usually that's something a tarpon does or a bonita does when something's trying to eat it. I didn't even know he could swim that fast. Oh no, I thought you were about to get it up so we could see it a little bit.
That's what I was thinking too.
Who knows what kind of big fish this is? It's a monster. Jim, what do you think it is?
I really don't know. It's probably one of those really big groupers. You saw how fast it was.
He took off right here in the middle. So what we're learning here with this particular fish, every time we back down hard, it tends to take off. So I'm gonna spin it around and watch. So he's not taking off right now. And now watch, I'm gonna back it down hard. Look at him go flying. So we're trying to tire him out a little bit quicker because we're getting close to being an hour in the fight. See, he's doing that shake, getting some blood flow going. Right between 50 and 55 minutes probably right now. And we haven't got to see it. We're only in 7 foot of water, but it kind of tells you how dirty the water is. But it is, the tide is turning, so it's about to be clean and incoming. And maybe it's gonna work out for us. So we'll be able to get a good shot and see what it is. John, what you think it is? You've been fighting it this long. What do you think?
It ain't a bluegill.
Oh, not a bluegill. He was thinking maybe a paddlefish or something like that, but I told him we don't have those here. So he changed his mind to a bluegill. Or a muskie, he said. Might be a big muskie. So we're back, hour and 10 minutes. He's kind of going inshore for us. And it's a long battle. We haven't seen it yet. I think it's some sort of dinosaur. Megalodon. John up front. Oh. Jim says oarfish. I'm going past it. Because it keeps turning the wrong direction. So I want us to be able to, I want him to pull us that way. We're in 6.7 feet of water and can't see anything.
What'd you say,
6.7. All right, good news. This big fish is doing what we want it to. We're down to 4.3, 4.5 feet of water. He's taking off a little bit, but I think he's gonna turn. John's done a great job. John, he should be really shallow right now. We're in 4.3 right this moment. We're getting closer and we still don't know what it is and we still haven't seen it. Anybody know what it is? Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think it is. Because we don't know yet. We haven't seen it. This guy says an oarfish. That That guy up there says a bluegill. We know it's not a bluegill. Okay, we're at 2.1, 2.3 feet. Still haven't seen it yet. We're trying to get up here though. So hopefully this, I mean, it's a huge fish. So if it goes into the deep water, I don't know. We've got it through 12, 14, even 18 feet of water to get it up here. So this is probably our best opportunity to see it. We still haven't seen it yet though. He's getting tired. This is how we were able to get this close to him. We're getting really close, really, really, really close. It's gotta be a giant. It's gotta be a monster or something. We got a sea creature on. We got a mysterious sea creature. And we are putting max pressure on this guy. We've been fighting it over 2 hours and 9 minutes now. 2 hours and 9 minutes. We're still fighting it. Right now we're trying to pull it up on a bar, but it's big. I mean, if you're fighting it for over 2 hours, it has to be big. You're doing a great job, John. Awesome work. John said, Captain, I had enough of being on the front of the boat. I'm going to land this fish up here on the land. Put me in the water. And then his brother said, wow, my brother just got in the salt water.
Something I thought I'd never see.
He's like, I never think my brother would get in the salt water. Here he comes. Here we go, it's the end. So John said, let me hop out. I'm gonna catch this big fish from the beach. And there it is right there. Oh my goodness, look at it, it's a saltfish. Wow. Oh my word. John, come this way. You're too far. Reel back.
Walk, come in.
What's that behind me? Oh, Ray? Look at it coming at him. He's freaking out. What is that? Big Jack? Ray? Whoa, look at that. Reel back this way, John. Oh, John over there fought that fish for over 2 hours and 10 minutes. Awesome. Never complained, nothing. That's superstar status right there. Way to go. And we fought it for, I bet you, 2 miles. It's crazy. Weren't 100% sure what it was. Mysterious sea creature. And lo and behold, yes, it was. Folks, I don't want you to be around it. That is incredible. Wow, it is humongous.
Oh my gosh.
Over 2 hours of fight time. John did it. It's incredible. Wow. Amazing.
Good text too, eh?
All right, we have to report this now that we see what we've got. We have to send a report, Jim. When we get back, we'll tell the, I think it's the Sawfish Foundation. We got to give them a call and let them know, hey, we caught this sawfish, where we caught it and all that stuff, and give a guesstimation of the length. I mean, we've got this video and some pictures, so they'll be able to say, that looks about this long, that long. And see, everybody at home, we don't get close to these. If you see that saw, when he starts shaking his head and look at the blades, it's so easy to cut your leg off or something bad. Walk it that way a little bit. It's so easy to really, really, really hurt yourself. So we don't want to hurt the fish, and we don't want the fish to hurt either one of us. And we definitely don't want to lose any limbs. But it is incredible. I mean, amazing. John, way too. Turn around. Right. Okay, now that we've got this huge sawfish on the side of the boat, I'm going to try to unwrap its bill the best that I can. And after I unwrap its bill, we're going to send in the measurements. And it's just a guesstimate on the measurements because I don't get around the bills of those because it can hurt you very bad. We're going to send it to the Sawfish Foundation. We caught a couple big sawfish over the last few years. They always appreciate the information that we send their way, and it's just crazy. Out of all things, we caught this giant sawfish snook fishing. Can you believe that? It's incredible. Snook fishing on a Daiwa Saltus reel and a Daiwa Proteus rod, a tarpon rod, and we caught a humongous sawfish. It's crazy. All right, we're trying to unwrap the bill right now without hurting the fish. I think we're gonna get it. Yep, we're gonna get it wrapped around the top. There we go. There went one unwrap. Good job. Here comes another. He needs a little bit of braces on the, there he goes.
Good job.
Wow. That's incredible.
Good job.
Some fine chew on this fishing charters right there. Thank you guys for watching, tuning in. And when you see that big fish, you toss that bait out there and you tell them, chew on this. Godspeed. We'll see you guys next episode. I hope you enjoyed this. See how it wraps? Look how many times it wraps your line around this.
It did, Frank. That's amazing.
I mean, to have this that long, fight it for over 2 hours, and you see, it's wrapped around the bill. And
Oh, you saved us with this fish. You put us just where you wanted. They did exactly what you said he was going to do.
I was hoping to be my first one. That is incredible. Good job. Here comes another. He needs a little bit of braces on the, there he goes.
Good job.
Wow. That's incredible.
Good job.
Big dog.
That was fun.
That is incredible. Your longest fight ever?
Longest fight ever. 2+ hours.
Oh, that was awesome.
That's,
Great job.
That's off of your bucket list.
Incredible, incredible, incredible.
Fishing with Captain Ben. He's the best.
Awesome.
Come back around for it.
Boom. What took him so long?
Just gonna get. Oh.